All right, good afternoon, Algebros. It's Mr. Jeffries here. I'm trying to talk over my students as they're wondering why they don't know this new stuff, and other people talking about who knows what. All right, so what we're doing today, very similar to what we've done earlier. We just got to, add a couple more questions. All right, we always need to make sure that it's in this form where we have everything on one side and zero on the other. Okay, so this is what we're going to have to be, asking ourselves yes or no, factors, and things of that nature. Okay, so we're dealing with this problem right here. Is it in this form, yes or no? Yes. Okay, our C would be positive 6, our B would be positive 5. Because our 6 is positive, our factors are the same, and they're both going to be positive. Okay? So, what two numbers that when we multiply them we get 6, but when we combine them we get 5? Yeah, 3 and 2. Okay? You could also say 2 and 3. Remember, the order didn't matter. Now, we're going to split these. There's a rule that says that if we were to cut these in half to find what equals 0, well, it could be x plus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. As long as one of those things is 0, it makes everything 0. Okay? So, and then we would solve. Well, minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 2. Alright, so we would end up with, x equals negative 3 and negative 2. Okay, so that would be our answer for this. And, above where it says that's basically what we're going to do. We're going to make sure it's in standard form, 0 on one side. We're going to factor, split, and solve. Okay? Factor, split, and solve. Alright. Is everybody good here? We ready to go on the next part? Alright. So, on example B, we're looking here. Is this in this form? Yes or no? No. Okay? It's not. 0 is not on one side by itself. Yeah. So we're going to have to subtract 36 from both sides. Whoops, that looks like a 30. Alright, now I'm going to be left with this. X squared plus 5x minus 36 equals 0. Okay? Now it's in that form that we can deal with. Okay? So this tells us our signs are different. This tells us our big number is positive. Okay? What two numbers that when we multiply them we get negative 36, but we combine them we get 5? What two numbers do we multiply to get to 36? Besides 6 and 6? Be positive 9 and negative 4. Okay? Now, we split these, x plus 9, x minus 4, it's 9 minus 9, plus 4, plus 4. Okay, so we get, x equals negative 9 and positive 4. Alright? Now, this is where we're about to make our life get really easy. What do we notice about the answer versus what's in the parentheses when we factor? It's the same numbers but opposite signs. So you basically, like on number 1 right here, this is the only one of these I want to do. Is this problem in this form? Yes. Okay. This tells us our signs are different. This tells us our big number is negative. Okay. And what two numbers that when we multiply them we get 21, but when we combine them we get 4? So what are, yep, so -7, +3. So our answer would be the opposite. So what's the opposite of -7? And what's the opposite of +3? Alright, so I've done that one. I'm going to let y'all work on the others before we go over them. And that's kind of it. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe, at the bell.
Why did I have to do this?
Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.